How to download or read books, online free. PDFDRIVE is your search engine for PDF files. As of today, PDFDRIVE have 77 million ebooks for you to download for free. You know about this site?
No.
Choose, click your favorite, and click download now. Google it on your PC, mobile phone or laptop. Go our laptop screen. Search pdfdrive.com. Click on first link. Click and download any category of book. And search any book on top row of search engine. All category in left side of page. Click on any book. And after that click on blue download button. Click on green download button. Now downloading is starting. After download book, read now.